Welcome to Bike Shift, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle updates, reviews, and comparisons. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 160, a bike that continues to define the spirit of performance and everyday practicality in the 150 to 160 cubic centimeters segment. The 2025 Pulsar 160 carries forward Bajaj's aggressive street fighter DNA but with a more modern and muscular approach. The bike now gets sharper tank extensions, a sleeker LED headlamp setup, and dynamic dual-tone graphics that add to its sporty appeal. The updated design language makes it look more premium and bolder on the road. The aerodynamic elements not only enhance the looks but also improve stability at higher speeds. At the heart of the 2025 Pulsar 160 lies a refined 160.3 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, oil-cooled, fuel-injected engine, tuned for better mid-range punch and fuel efficiency. It produces around 16 horsepower of power and 14.6 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. Bajaj has focused on achieving the perfect balance between city performance and highway comfort. The throttle response feels crisp, and the engine refinement has improved compared to earlier models, reducing vibrations even at high RPMs. The new Pulsar 160 rides on a sturdy perimeter frame, ensuring better cornering and control. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, tuned for sporty yet comfortable riding dynamics. The bike now comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, giving riders enhanced braking confidence. The handling feels light and nimble in city traffic while maintaining solid stability during long rides. Bajaj has clearly aimed to make the Pulsar 160 more rider-friendly for both beginners and enthusiasts. In 2025, Bajaj has modernized the Pulsar lineup with new features. The bike now includes a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, offering call and message alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, and distance-to-empty indicators. It also features LED lighting all around, a USB charging port, and improved switchgear quality. These updates make it one of the most feature-rich motorcycles in its category. Despite its sporty character, the Pulsar 160 continues to be efficient. The expected mileage is around 45 to 50 km per liter, depending on riding style and conditions. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 160 is expected to be priced around 1.35 Indian rupees to 1.40 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, placing it competitively against rivals like the TVS Apache RTR 164V and Yamaha FCS. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 160 stands as a testament to Bajaj's evolution, blending performance, technology, and style in a package that appeals to riders of all generations. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily commuter or a sporty weekend companion, this Pulsar delivers on every front. For more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and upcoming bike news, stay tuned to Bike Shift, where passion meets performance.